Dear children, now discuss about exercise 4.1, page number 137, 12th standard. Second question, find the period and amplitude of number one question, y is equal to sine 7x here. Here sine of 1 by 3x again minus here. Here 4 multiplication, sine of minus again. You see, sine. Everyone having period 2, 5. But inside you think about sine 7x here. Sin x period 2, 5. But sine 7x here. Sine number 1 solution. Sine 7x period 2, 5. By this 7 divide here. Actually sin x period is the 2, 5. Sin 7x period is 2, 5 by this multiple 7. This is the period. Otherwise, you remember like this, sin ax period is the 2, 5 by a. Suppose a is negative, consider modulus. And here asking amplitude also. Amplitude means height. We know that before we discussed that height is for sine 1, amplitude equal to 1. So period is the 2, 5 by 7, amplitude is 1. This is the first question. Now coming to the second question. This also second solution. Sin x period 2, 5. But here 1 by 3 multiplication is there. Multiples are submultiples. Sin of x by 3 period is 2, 5 by 1 by 3 modulus. So already plus it is. So this also plus, no need of modulus. If minus is there, take modulus. So it is equal to 3 into 2, 5, 6, 5 coming. This is the periods of the sin x by 3. And amplitude. Amplitude all are same. Here if any multiplication is there, positive, we multiply by this value. But here only 1, not considered minus. So amplitude is equal to, it is also 1. Here amplitude 1, 1. Periods are different. And in the third problem, something different. Third solution, y is equal to 4 sine of minus 2x. We know sin x period 2, 5. But here sin of minus 2x. This period is equal to 2, 5 by minus 2. Here modulus need. So this is 2, 5 by 2. 2 to cancel, it is equal to 5 period. After that he is asking amplitude. Amplitude means here sin of minus 2x amplitude is equal to 1. But 4 is there multiplication. 4 into sin of minus 2x is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 is the amplitude. Here what asking question? Fourth question. Find the value of sin inverse of sin 2, 5 by 3. First question. Second is the similar to that, sin inverse of sin 5, 5 by 4. Here we discuss about domain. What is the domain here? We check that. First problem, sin inverse of sin 2, 5 by 3. Sin inverse of sin actually cancelled. Where when it is the cancelled. We think about 2, 5 by 3. This value how much? 5 by 3 is the 60 degrees into 2, 120 degrees. But actually sine inverse function domain where to where, minus 90 to plus 90. This is above 90, not cancelled. That's why this 2 5 by 3 sine restricted, domain restricted here. How we restricted? Sine inverse of sine 5 minus 5 by 3. Check that it is balanced or not. 3 5 minus 5, 2 5 by 3 as it is. But here sine 180 minus theta. Already we know sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. We know that. It is the second quadrant, sine positive. So sine 180 minus theta. That's why sine inverse of sine 5 by 3. Now this 5 by 3 in the principal value, that domain minus 90 to plus 90 having. That's why it is sine inverse of sine cancelled is equal to 5 by 3. Finally you write this belongs to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. This is the value. Here find the value means principal value. In the second problem, similar to this, sine 5 5 by 4. This value also not belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. How much value? 45 into 5, 225. So above 90, more than 90. That's why this value restricted. How we restricted? Sine inverse of sine here 5 minus 5 by 4. It is balanced or not? Check. 4 5 minus 5. 3 5 coming. So it is 5 5 by 4. Not suitable. Put plus 4 5 plus 5. 5 by 4. Here sine 180 plus theta. It is the third quadrant. Sine 5 plus theta. Third quadrant, it is minus sine theta. This is the one formula. According to that formula, 5 plus theta, theta is here 5 by 4. So sine inverse of minus sine 5 by 4. Sine inverse of minus theta this. Otherwise this value is taken as sine inverse of sine minus 5 by 4 also right. This minus sent to inside. Since one formula, sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Either both sides. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Minus sine theta is equal to sine of minus theta. At the same time, this also you remember cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Now, we check this value that in the domain having or not. Minus 5 by 4, minus 45. Actual domain how much? Minus 90 to plus 90. That's why it is correct. Sine inverse and sine cancelled is equal to minus 5 by 4. This value belongs to minus 90 to plus 90 having. That's why this is the true value. Exercise 4.1, fourth problem. Find the domain of the following functions. So function f of x, first problem, sine inverse of x square plus 1 by 2x. This domain how much asking? Domain means x values. So sine inverse function given here. So this value sine inverse of this range minus 1 to plus 1. So number 1 solution, f of x is equal to sine inverse of x square plus 1 by 2x. So this value minus 1 to plus 1. Sine inverse x values lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So instead of x, x square plus 1 by 2x is there. Instead of x, x square plus 1 by 2x given. That's why x square plus 1 by 2x less than or equal to minus 1 to plus 1. So inside value x square plus 1 by 2x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Equal or less than. Here also equal or less than. In between minus 1 to 1. So this value multiply with the 2x here, both sides. 2x into minus 1, minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1 less than or equal to 2x. So here split into two parts. One is the minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1. And another is this one, x square plus 1 less than or equal to 2x. Both having. Here this value taken to right side. So here 0 less than or equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. This is x plus 1 whole square completely, and reversely taken x plus 1 whole square. This symbol also changed to this type. So x plus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0. That means x greater than or equal to minus 1. Here in this case x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal less than or equal to 0. This value x minus 1 whole square less than or equal to 0. After that it is remove the square, also x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. This value minus 1 taken to right side, x less than or equal to 1. 1 below, minus 1 above, that means x value minus 1 above minus 1, and x value below 1. We check if 1 substitute here, 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 1 coming. If we consider minus 1 square also 1, 1 plus 1 by minus 2, minus 2 by minus 2, minus 1. So exactly suitable for minus 1 to plus 1 values. In between values correct or not, we check once. If x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1 by 0. Something by 0 infinity coming. So 0 not suitable. If put 1 by 2 in this, 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 by something. So 5 by 4 is the above 1. So sin inverse value does not exist above 1, below minus 1. That's why x values only belongs to set of minus 1 plus 1 only. Not closed bracket, not open bracket. X belongs to minus 1, but plus minus 1 to plus 1 it is not correct. X belongs to minus 1, 1 also not correct. This only is minus 1 plus 1 only acceptable. This is our next second problem. You see here, f of x is equal to 2 sin inverse 2x minus 1, again minus 5 by 4. So he asking x values, domain, what is the domain of this? So not 2 consider, not minus 5 by 4 consider, only x consider. So sin inverse of 2x minus 1 consider. That sin inverse in bracket, that values lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Sin inverse and cos inverse always lies between minus 1 to plus 1 and close brackets. Now, solution 2. Sin inverse of 2x minus 1. This is the function. Consider. So, in this 2x minus 1 value, minus 1 to plus 1. So 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 1, here minus 1. So in this bracket always sin inverse either cos inverse, both are minus 1 to plus 1 exist. So this minus 1 taken to left side and right side. minus 1, this minus 1 in this side plus 1 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to this one as it is minus 1 that side plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2. So this is inequality divided with 2. 0 by 2 0 less than or equal to 2x by 2 only x 2 by 2 1. So this meaning x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to above 0, x is equal to less than 1. So this is represented by minus 0 to 1. 0 to 1 all values with including 0, 1 and in between 0 to 1. You take real line 0, 1 suppose this value exists, this value exists. In between many values having, infinity values having. In this, all values can be exist here. 0 to 1 means closed bracket meaning. So answer, domain is the x belongs to 0 to 1. This means domain, x means domain. Okay. Solution, here sine inverse function up to here. He asking value only. Value means sine inverse of some value here. This is the 1 or 2 or minus 1 or how much. We check this value. First, it is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This value is sin of A plus B. This is the one useful formula here. According to this, A value 5 by 9, B value 5 by 9, here A value 5 by 9, B value 5 by 9, AB. So this is written as sine inverse of sine 5 by 9 cos 5 by 9 plus cos 5 by 9 sine 5 by 9. According to this principle, sin A plus B, sin of A is 5 by 9 plus B is 5 by 9. After this, sin inverse of sin, here denominator 9, 5 plus 1, 6 5 by 9. 3 twice, 3 threes, 2 by 3, 5. Sin inverse of 2 by 3, 5. Sin of 2 5 by 3. We check here this value exists or not. 2 5 by 3 value, 5 by 3 means 180 by 3 60, 60 multiplied by 2 120 degrees. So this principal value minus 92 plus 90. Here 2 5 by 3 not belongs to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. That's why this value change to another value, in between value. We change to in this value. So how we change? Sin inverse of sin, how to change? 2 5 by 3 actually 120, second quadrant. Second quadrant 120 is written as 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means 5 is the 180 minus 60, 5 by 3. 180 minus 60, 120. So now this is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Sin 5 minus theta is equal to plus sin theta. This is another formula. According to that, sin inverse of sin 5 by 3 will come. Now 5 by 3 belongs to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. So this answer 5 by 3. This is belongs to minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. That's why this value, total value 5 by 3. 141, example 4.5. In this, find the value of cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is converted to cos function. How we convert cos inverse of root 3 by 2 given? root 3 by 2 value in terms of cos 5 by 6, cos 5 by 6, cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So you substitute in the, instead of root 3 by 2, cos inverse of cos 5 by 6. So we check this value, cos inverse here. This inverse function here minus 1 to plus 1. So root 3 by 2 in that value. So here cos inverse of cos cancelled 5 by 6. Whereas this value lies between 0 to 5 by 0 to 5. Previously I discussed about this principal values. For the cos 0 to 5, for the sin minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. So this value belongs to 0 to 5 or not. 0 to 180. This is 30. So this value compulsory including in this value. So that's why this total value is the 5 by 6. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2 value 5 by 6. After that, come to here. Similar to this, find value of this value asking here also. So here cos inverse of negative given. Instead of negative, what we do? Two processes are there. Direct formula, without formula. Here direct formula, cos inverse of minus x is equal to 5 minus cos inverse x is the correct formula. If in this minus value, minus x, so we convert to 5 minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 is equal to, according to this principle, 5 as it is minus cos inverse of x. X is the 1 by root 2. That means 5 minus cos inverse of 1 by root 2 in terms of cos 5 by 4. Next 5 minus this value 5 by 4 lies between 0 to 5 or not. 0 to 5 compulsory. 45 is the in between 0 to 5. That's why 5 by 4 coming. This cancelled. So on LCM 4 5 minus 5 3 5 by 4. So this value cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 value is the 3 5 by 4. You remember this formula cos inverse minus x. Only this formula sin inverse of minus x directly minus sin inverse x. Another case, in this formula according to its opposite sec inverse minus x also, if given 5 minus sec inverse x, this is also right formula. Not this problem, this formula similar to same. Once again I tell here sin inverse of minus x is the minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to 5 minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to minus cot inverse x. Sec inverse of minus x is the 5 minus sec inverse of x. Cosec inverse of minus x minus cosec inverse x. These are formulas, all formulas. Only minus x for formulas. Second, cos inverse of minus 5 by 3. Here cos of minus given. Here this is also different problem. Not inside cos inverse. That is the inverse minus x is given. Here cos of minus given. Here different formulas. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta plus sec theta. Cosec of minus theta minus cosec theta. These are another set of formulas. cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta both are positive, remaining all negatives. So according this, cos of minus theta is the plus cos theta, considered as plus cos theta. Solution: cos inverse of cos minus 5 by 3. Cos inverse of cos of minus 5 by 3, cos 5 by 3. So cos inverse cos cancelled when this 5 by 3 lies between 0 to 5 or not? Yes, it is lies between 0 to 5 is equal to 5 by 3. This belongs to 0 to 5. Closed brackets, not open. This is the 5 by 3 answer. Okay. Next, third problem. Come to third problem. What is third problem? Cos inverse of cos 7 5 by 6. You see here 7 5 by 6. We convert to little value 0 to 90. Otherwise 0 to minus 0 to 5. Cos inverse of cos 5 plus 5 by 6. It is correct or not? Take LCM. 6 5 plus 1 5, 7 5. 7 5 by 6. After that, this is the cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta in third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, sin cos negative, tan cot positive. So this is cos inverse of minus cos 5 by 6. Next, cos inverse of minus x we consider as 5 minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to 5 minus cos inverse x. By using this formula, cos inverse of this value is equal to cos inverse of minus x 5 minus cos inverse of cos 5 by 6. We compare this. Minus x is the minus cos 5 by 6. So here 5 minus cos inverse cos 5 by 6 according to this formula. Now 5 minus cos inverse of cos 5 by 6 cancelled. Why? 5 by 6 30 degrees. This value belongs to 0 to 5. That's why it is cancelled 5 by 6. So final after LCM 6 5 minus 5 5 5 by 6 this value. Here example 4.7 page number 142. Question is find the domain of cos inverse 2 plus sin x by 3. Cos inverse of 2 plus sin x by 3. In this bracket, this value minus 1 to plus 1. Two plus sin x by 3 lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Why? This total value, principal value minus 1 to plus 1. That's why we're putting like this. Otherwise, you check, this is the angle, totally angle. That angle lies between 0 to 5. 0 is 1, 0 is 1, 180 is the minus 1. That's why this value minus 1 to plus 1. Anyhow, cos inverse x value is lies between 0 to 5. But this domain x value how much asking? This value lies between minus 1 to 1. First we consider. Next, from here, this 3 multiply both sides. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 2 plus sin x less than or equal to 3 into 1, 3. After this, here 2 having these two, send left side and right side. 3 minus 3 minus 2 less than or equal to sin x, here 3, these 2 outside minus 2. This is minus 5 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. Here sin x lies between minus 5 to 1. So this is a contradiction. Minus 5 is not correct. So it is reduced to which value? Actually sin x value range where to where? Minus 1 to plus 1. So instead of minus 5, we reduce the value. So it is reduced to minus 1 to plus 1. This is the correct. This is not correct. Minus 5 came, but minus 5 is not satisfied by the sin x. Lies between only minus 1 to plus 1 only. So we reduced minus 5 to minus 1 below values all reduced. Now sin x lies between minus 1 to 1. He asking domain. Domain means x value. So sin taking left side, right side. Then inverse coming. Sin inverse of minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of minus 1 minus sin inverse here minus sin inverse 1. Otherwise write like this minus sin inverse 1 x less than or equal to sin inverse 1. So 1 where sin 91. So this value is 90. This value is also 90. Minus 90. 90 in radians minus 5 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 by 2. X is lies between to minus 90 to plus 90. It is correct. Truth value. So x belongs to minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. This is the domain. X belongs to means domain it is. Here state the reason for cos inverse of cos minus 5 by 6 is not equal to 5 by 6. Is not equal to 5 by 6. He asking reason. What is the reason? Cos inverse of cos minus 5 by 6 is not equal to 5 by 6. It is correct or not? Not correct. Why? That is the reason. Actually, according to formula, cos inverse of cos x is equal to x. One condition, if x belongs to 0 to 5 is the correct. 0 to 5, then cos inverse of cos x is equal to x coming. Where x belongs to 0 to 5, in that principal value, this can be exist. You check here x value minus 5 by 6 given. So here minus 5 by 6 does not belongs to 0 to 5. This is the main reason. This is the negative value, here positive values, above 0 values, 0 and above values. This is not belongs to this. That is the main reason. After this proof, cos inverse x minus x is equal to 5 minus cos inverse x. How we prove? Let LHS is the cos inverse of minus x is given. From this we derive that right side. So there is no need of LHS. Let this is the theta. Otherwise any angle A or B, any angle. This cos inverse that side cos theta. Minus x is equal to cos theta. Then x is equal to minus cos theta. This minus change to that side. Here x is equal to minus cos theta. It is in the second quadrant. Cos of 180 minus theta. Cos 5 minus theta. Second quadrant. Reverse order. Minus theta. Cos theta coming. So after that, again cos, take left side, cos inverse x is equal to 5 minus theta. Next, cos inverse of x is equal to where theta is the cos inverse of minus x. But he asking 5 minus cos inverse x, not this. You change to this, this. This is this side, this is this side. So cos inverse of minus x is equal to 5 minus of cos inverse x. This is also one of the formula.